These are the chords that we need to know to play the entire song. Feel free to skip ahead if you already know the fingering position. The chord progression for this song, well, except in the bridge, is C, E7, A minor 7, and F. So make sure that we can do the chord transition smoothly, okay? Now to play the intro, we need to do it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so during the 2 and 4, we need to strum and block. So strum, strum and block, strum, strum and block, like that, okay? And then we change. Cycle. Okay, with the lyrics. Na 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 na. Okay, the first. In the first, the strumming pattern becomes this: down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, down, down. So during the F chord, we just strum twice and block. So 1, 2, like that. Okay, with the lyrics. Cycle. 널 어쩌면 좋을까? 이런 맘은 더 처음이라 Up and down 네 자신의 자리 잡고 잘하는데 하나 확실한 건 I don't play the game 우리 진짜 별나네 그냥 네가 너무 좋아해 넌 그걸로 못 잘하고 나처럼 편하게 나도 마찬가지인 걸 I forgot to mention, so we need to do this. It's like we're going to strum using our nail, but this side of our hand blocks it. So 우리 진짜 별나네. Okay. Now in the pre-chorus, we're just going to repeat the same thing. So let's just play along with the lyrics, okay? 우린 참 별나고 이상한 사이야. 서로를 부서지게 그리고 또 껴안아 그리고 또 껴안아. You got me feeling like a chorus. In the chorus, we need to do something a little bit different. So all this time we've been playing F chord like this, right? Just strum twice and block like that, right? But in the chorus, we need to do it like this: down, down, up, up, down, down. So it's the same pattern, okay? Let's go with the lyrics. You got me feeling like a psycho, psycho. 우리 보고 말해 자꾸, 자꾸. 다시 한 번 더 싸우다가도 돌아다니니 말야 이해가 안 돼 웃기지도 않대 마치 psycho 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 서로 좋아 죽는 바보 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 너 없이 어지럽고 슬퍼져 기운도 막 없어요 둘이자 만났대 Hey now we'll be okay. And then the second verse we need to do something a little bit different too in the first part of the second verse. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay. Hey trouble 뜬것 따윈 없이 오는 너 I'm original visual 우린 원래 이래서 Yeah 두렵진 않아 흥미로워 but it's hot It's just hot 어떻게 널 다루고 어서 to Go back to the pattern so 몰라 너를 달리고 네 속에 발로 차도 가끔 내게 미소 지는 너 어떻게 놓겠어 우리 나름답고 참석한 사이야 서로를 빛나게 해 마치 다과감처럼 그리고 너 껴안아 Chorus. After that, we're going to repeat the chorus one more time. So I'm just going to skip that and head straight to the bridge. In the bridge, we have 2 additional chords. The first one is D, so index finger. On the 2nd fret, 4th string, middle finger just below it, and our ring finger just below our middle finger. Next, we go E minor 7, so index finger on the 2nd fret, 3rd string, and middle finger on the 2nd fret too, but on the 1st string. In the bridge, we will need to strum once each chord And then later we're going to strum 4 times each chord. And then 5 times, so it goes like this. Don't look back, 그렇게 우리답게 가보자. 4 times. 난 온몸으로 넌 느끼고 있어. Everything will be okay. Psycho, 우리 보고 말해 자꾸. 다시 한번부터 싸우다가도 보통 아니니 말야. 둘이 잘 만났대. Hey now we'll be okay. And then this one, we need to do something different too. The strumming pattern becomes this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, like that. And then after that, we're going to repeat the pattern again. The down, down, up, down, down until the end of the song. So with the lyrics. 둘이 잘 만났대. Hey now we'll be okay. Hey now we'll be okay. Hey now we'll be okay.